Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Annie's Sweet Home Treats. How are you all doing today? So guys, in today's video I'll be making delicious homemade suya with my very own spice. Guys, I'll be posting the video. Make sure you watch to the end and don't forget to like, subscribe and share, guys. So these are all the ingredients we'll be using. We'll be using beef. So the beef, it has already been washed and cleaned. Guys, this is the easiest way to make your homemade juicy suya. So let's get started.